In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Confluence page full width. If your content feels cramped or your tables and images are getting squeezed into narrow margins, switching your page to a full width layout can make everything easier to read and more professional at a glance. Let's walk through it clearly so you can update your pages with confidence. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to change. Once it's loaded, click the Edit button, which looks like a small pencil icon. This takes you into edit mode where layout controls become available, and you can adjust how your content fills the screen. Now look toward the top right of the editor's toolbar. You'll find the layout controls there. Depending on your version, you'll see an option that lets you switch between a default view and a wider view. You might notice an icon that resembles two arrows pointing away from each other. This is the Adjust Width control. It's designed to expand or contract the page's content area. Without changing what's actually on the page, click Adjust Width. From here, select the wide or full width option. The moment you choose it, the editable canvas will expand, pushing the margins outwards so your content stretches across more of the screen. This is especially helpful for wide tables, large diagrams, embedded whiteboards, or code blocks that benefit from extra horizontal space. It keeps information on a single line more often, reduces the need for side scrolling, and generally creates a cleaner, more balanced reading experience. Take a quick look through your content now that it's wider. If you have side-by-side elements or images, they'll have more breathing room. Headings might feel better proportioned across the page, and long lines of text may wrap less aggressively. If anything looks off, you can still make any edits or spacing adjustments while you are in this mode. When you are happy with the layout, click Publish or Update. This final step applies the change permanently for all viewers. So what you see is what your teammates will see as soon as the page refreshes. If you leave the editor without publishing, the full width setting will remain only in your draft, so be sure to finalize it before you navigate away. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.